So today we will cover five five topics. First is what is cloud? What is the meaning of cloud? Second point is what is experience cloud? Third, we will understand what all are the benefits provided by experience cloud. Fourth is what all the license we are using for community cloud. And fifth is how to create community. Okay, so this is a series of community cloud. We will go step by step how exactly we are creating a community, how we are changing logo and all those things, what all the features is provided. So in next all this is a series, so in next video you will find all those things. So this is just the introduction. So before we starting for community, I want to introduce myself. I am Sunil Sharma. I am certified PD1 and PD2 and admin. I am working in IT sector for 7 years, and in Salesforce I am working 3 years. So first we should understand what is cloud. So cloud is a platform which is accessible everywhere and anytime without any prerequisite installations like Amazon Cloud, Azure Cloud or Google Cloud. So what is the meaning of that one? If any service is provided on cloud, that is accessible anytime without any installing other additional software in our system. Before before launching cloud, previously whenever we needed any services, we used to install some software in our system, and after that we used to do that one. But now there are a number of services is provided online. We need only internet and browser, and we can access anytime and everywhere any services like Google Drive. So in Google Drive, if you are uploading your data, if you are uploading your videos, your photos, anytime you can access. If you have internet, you have browser, anytime you can access. So that is cloud. So what is experience cloud and community cloud? So community cloud and experience cloud, these are not two different clouds. Only one cloud. Previously the name was community cloud, and now Salesforce changed from community to experience cloud. So this is a platform which helps for creating community for engaging customers, engaging partners or employees. With the help of some simple clicks, we can create site in Salesforce for connecting with our customer, connecting with our partners or employees. Without Salesforce, without Experience Cloud, creating a site is a complicated process and it takes lots of times. So Experience Builder is providing a simple way with the help that we can create site or community. So what all the advantage of Experience Cloud? So first we have a number of advantages. So here I am explaining only 5 advantages. So first is branding and customization. Means whenever we are creating a site with the help of Experience Cloud, we have a number of options. We can we can upload our own logo, our own color, our own fonts, our own theme, our or customizations we can do. Means summary is we can do our own branding. Okay. Second is self-service capabilities. So with the help of knowledge or FAQ, we can provide a number of means with the help of knowledge or FAQ or chatbot, we can customer can resolve query himself without waiting for agent. Okay. Third point is customer support and services. So if we integrate Experience Cloud with Salesforce, then we can manage our case management. We can show what all the cases is created by users. We can track all those things with the help of some simple clicks. Mobile accessibility means if whatever site we are creating with the help of Experience Cloud, that is accessible in laptop, it is accessible in desktop, tablet also, and apart from that it is accessible in mobile also. Fifth point is analytics and reporting. So Salesforce is providing features that we can generate our reports in Experience Cloud. We can provide options to show dashboards. These things we can provide. Now, next topic is what all the license we have. So mainly we have three licenses: customer community plus, and partner community. So customer community and customer community plus, these two licenses mainly used for customer community. So if we want to engage our customers, then we can use these licenses. If we want to engage our partners, then we can use partner community licenses. So customer community, this is the basic license. So in this one, we are providing the access to customer for objects of some only few objects, like case object we are providing. We are providing knowledge object access, and this one can be used with person account also. So what is the meaning of person account? So there are two types of accounts. One is normal accounts and second is person account. What is the normal accounts? Suppose your customer is a company, then that is called a normal account, but or organization account you can say. But if it is person account, means your customer is not a company, your customer is a one person. Okay. Second license is customer community plus. So what all the features is provided by customer community? All those features is provided in customer community plus. Additional features is provided like reports, dashboards, and apart from that, some standard sharing mechanism also provided. Third point is partner community. So if we business to business experience that need access to the sales data such as partner relationship management, the partner community cannot be used with person account. So partner community license or partner community can be used with organization account only. It cannot be used with person account. If you want to create a community for our partners that is selling our products, so we can go for partner community license. Okay. Now next topic is how to create community. So before creating a community, first we should register our custom domain. Okay. Second, we can create our with the help of some simple clicks we can create our community. So if you do not have any account on Salesforce, then you can open this URL developer.salesforce.com sign up. So here I have opened. So here you can see you have to provide some simple steps like first name, last name, email address. Email address should be a valid email address because you will get some emails to verify. You can select role. Here we have 4 to 5 roles like developer, architect, and this business management. You can select anyone. Okay. Company. So for developer edition, we do not have any company, so you can provide test XYZ. You can select your country, you can select your postal code. In username, you can provide a particular username in the format of email, or you can use same email as a username also, and just click on this sign up and click on sign me up. If already you have, once you have created account, you will get some emails. You can verify that emails, and after that you can set up your password. Once you set up your password, now you can open login.salesforce.com. Here you can provide your username. Here you can provide your password. Okay. So once you have logged in successfully, here this is one gear icon. In that, click on that one and click on setup. Here search with site. Okay, so here we are getting options for registering the domain. In my case, already my custom domain is already registered. That's why I am not getting any option. So there are some steps we should follow here, and we should register our domain. Once the domain is registered, it is taking some time, and after that you can search here all sites. So here you can create maximum number of 100 sites. Okay, so that can be published and unpublished. Total site can be 100. So just click on this new button. So here we have some templates, predefined templates. So we can select template according to the requirement, why we are creating the site. So here we have marketing template, we have sales template, we have service template, we have e-commerce templates. So I'm selecting this one. This one I'm selecting as my template. Here get started. Here you can provide your name, your site name. Sorry, site name you can provide. Here site URL you can provide, and click on create. It will take almost 1 minute, and after that it will create. Okay, so I'm not creating. I have already 3 sites, so I'm opening that one. Okay, so once the site is created, it is giving some, if you are searching for all sites, here it will give your site URL. Here it will give like which type of framework it is used to create the template. Means there are some templates like those are belonging from Aura. Means those template is created with the help of Aura. You can drag and drop your LWC component also. There is no issue. Okay, now we are getting LWR, Lightning Web Runtime. So these are the new template type. So previously we could not create any template or page in LWC, but now we are getting options. Like if you are using Lightning Web Runtime, then you can create. So this is a new technology. Okay, here we have 2 options, workspace and builder. Okay, so now I'm opening builder. We will go in next video in details, like what is the meaning of workspace, what is the meaning of builder, when we are opening workspace, then what all the options we are getting, and what is the purpose of those options. Okay, so here you can see if you are opening workspace, then here we have a number of options like builder, moderation, content management, gamification, dashboard, administration, guided setup. Okay, so we will go in details like what is the purpose of, because mainly it's used builder and administration only. Mostly these two only use, but in some cases people are, if you want to show some dashboards, then you can use dashboards. If you want to show some content management, then content management, and this is for monitoring and comment and creating the rules. So we will go in details later. Okay, so if you are clicking on builder, then this type of page is opening. Okay, so here we have a number of options. Here you can see these are the pages. Okay, the settings of each pages. Here we have menu bar. Okay, we have publish option, we have preview option. Here we have some settings, page structures, theme, components. So different type of detail is available. So in next video we will go in details like how to provide our logo, how to provide our own colors, our own banners, all those things we will go in details in next video. Okay, so in this video we have just go through what is the community cloud, what is experience cloud, what is the meaning of cloud, and what is the purpose of using experience cloud and all those things, what all the license we have for community. In next video we will go in details. Okay, So please subscribe our channel, Salesforce Dream channel. Okay, and share with your friends like our videos. So, and please press the bell icon so that you can get notification for future videos. Okay, I want to simplify as much as possible so that it can help to everyone to understand how to create our own community, how we can use in Salesforce. Okay, yeah, thank you.